Meteor showers are nature's fireworks. They consist of thousands of meteors and can provide a spectacular sight. The Epsilon Geminids is a small meteor shower that averages only 3 meteors during its peak if conditions are perfect. Its maximum is on October 18th, but some meteors can also be seen between October 14th and 27th. During this period, the Epsilon Geminids meteor shower can be seen when the Geminid radiant point is above the horizon, and the higher the radiant point is in the sky, the more meteors you will see. Compared to the December Geminids, the Epsilon Geminids are much less interesting. Only a few meteors are visible per hour, so it's not worth going outside at night, especially if it's cold. However, the Epsilon Geminids are generally a good addition to the Orionids, as they peak at about the same time. By determining the location of this radiant in the sky, it is possible to calculate the trajectory of the stream that produces a particular meteor shower. If there are known comets or asteroids with very similar orbits, it may also be possible to identify the specific celestial object that was involved in generating the debris flow. The Epsilon Geminids meteor shower appears to radiate from the constellation Gemini at an average speed of 70 kilometers per second. They come from fragments of Comet C 1964 and 1 Ikeya. C 1964 and 1 Ikeya is an icy and rocky object that begins to burn as it approaches the Sun, forming a long tail. It is composed mainly of ice and dust, making it considered a long orbital comet. This comet was discovered on July 3, 1964 by Japanese amateur astronomer Kaoru Ikeya. It is the second comet discovered by Kaoru Ikeya after C 1963 A1 Ikeya. The comet was located in the pre-dawn sky in the constellation Taurus in the Hyades cluster, and its apparent magnitude was estimated to be 8. The comet was moving southeast. C 1964 and 1 Ikeya, also known as Comet 1964F, is a long-period comet discovered by Kaoru Ikeya on July 3, 1964. The comet last passed perihelion on August 1, 1964, reaching an apparent magnitude of 2.7. Comet 1964 and 1 is an object whose orbit does not correspond to the defined orbital classes of comets. NASA JPL has not classified Ikeya as potentially hazardous because its orbit does not approach the Earth. Ikeya orbits the Sun every 153,000 days, about 418.89 years, approaching as close as 0.8 to astronomical units of the Sun and receding as far as 110.98 astronomical units. Its orbit is highly elliptical. How can we observe the Epsilon Geminid meteor shower? All you need is time, patience, and a secluded viewing spot far from city lights. Once you've found a safe, dark viewing spot, plan your trip so that you have 15 to 30 minutes to get ready and allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness. Meteor shower visibility depends on many factors, including the peak time, the location of the radiant, the point in the sky where the meteor shower appears to be occurring, moonrise and moonset times, and the phase of the moon. Just like stargazing, meteor watching is a game of patience, so bring blankets, lounge chairs, pillows, hot drinks, or anything else that will make the wait more bearable.